Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a skincare product recommendation quiz using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. To create our skincare product quiz, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress websites to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build quick disposable WordPress websites in no time. So let's dive into this. I have already installed the QSM plugin on my website. To see how to install the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating the quiz. Number 1. Hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Number 2. Once you click on Add New, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM has a collection of stunning new themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Number 3. Now, on the quiz setting, we get an option for the initial setup of our quiz. Let's set a name for the quiz and select what kind of form we are using. Time limit. You can set a timer to your quiz or form. You could also select if you want only logged in users to be able to fill the form. Let's not do that for a time being. Now comes the add-ons section, where we get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Currently, we don't need any add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. Here comes the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for the skincare product quiz. Let's start with the first one to know more and more about the user's skin or some routine things. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose the type of question and answer from the drop-down. I am taking the multiple-choice question type for this question and writing answer choices. You can give the points or correct or incorrect for the respective answers. I am giving the points to the answer to show you the results. And if you want, you can mark the question as required so this question can't be skipped, and then click on Save Question. Since our first question is saved, let's click on the Create Second Page question at the bottom of a Questions tab. For this question also, we will be selecting the multiple choice type and writing answer choices with respective points. Now, I am creating a third page question and selecting multiple response type questions and repeating the same process. Then click on Save Question. Now, I'm creating the last page question and repeating the same process. Then click on Save Question. Now all the questions are saved, let's set up a contact field to collect the name of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, and let's select the field type as a small open answer and label it as Name. Let's select the Use For section and select Name there. Click on Add New Field. Let's select the field type as a small open answer and label it as Phone Number. Let's select the Use For section and select Phone there. Now, since our question for the quiz is set and the contact field is configured to collect the username, let's set our final result page for the quiz as per the score. So, go to the Result Pages tab. Here, you can set conditions as per you when this page should be shown. Now, after setting the conditions, we have to design the final result page that we have to show people. So, enter the message and take different variables from these templates. I am taking the username variable to put in my message. To beautify or to show your result page, you can upload the image also in the description. For your reference, I am creating one more conditional result page so you can understand better. Let's preview our skincare product quiz by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created the product recommendation quiz successfully with all the separate 4 pages with one question on each page, and it's working just fine. And finally, the result page. We have successfully added the recommended product for the user with description here. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for new tutorials. Until next time, bye-bye and stay safe.